Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C43 AMG. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 368 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, a diamond style grille up front, 19-inch multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Got our bi-turbo 4MATIC badging up front. A black with red stitching leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our AMG C43 badging. Electronic trunk. Set of all-season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an AMG illuminated LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, a black wood trim, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, dynamic select for our different driving patterns. We've got Eco, Comfort, Sports, and Sports Plus. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev to hear that exhaust. Navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display. We've got our dynamic selects, adjustments, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This C43 has 25,614 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C43 AMG, check out feldmannimports.com.